Hello, I'm Tino from Metaland. Now I'll explain how the MEXA miner works. Once you're on the app, connect MetaMask to the platform. After you've connected MetaMask on the base network, you'll see here how many MEXA tokens are in the contract for airdrop. Here you'll see how many MEXA you have in your MetaMask. Now enter here the number of MEXA to purchase miners. Now click here and approve the transaction on MetaMask. Now enter the same amount of MEXA and purchase the miners. Click and approve the transaction. Congratulations! You'll now receive MEXA every second. Here you can see the power of your MEXA miners. Here's how much your miners are digging. Here you'll see your production. At any time, you can compound to acquire more miners. Here you can withdraw from your production whenever you want. This airdrop with the miner allows you to fuel the Metaland ecosystem and receive rewards. Remember that you can receive 5% rewards with the referral. Activate your miner now and enter Metaland as a protagonist.